Shit, they got serious, man.
Dang! Oh! Oh! Oh, shit. What the hell? What that boy ring the chicken there?
That God keeps telling me. And please forgive me, God, for cursing while I'm mentioning your name.
God. Boy, y'all witness on y'all ain't never seen it in y'all life before, right? Oh. I like to see that. I ain't doing it though.
The radio out there to everybody. Tell them this how we, this how you do it, this how you do it, this how you do it. You're living off the land.
I'm not trying to hit it. Something like that. You
You gotta worry about going in the store worrying about that fast food.
Yeah.
You're living off the land, baby.
Yeah. Live off the land. Oh my gosh. That junk just got serious for them chickens, bro. My granddad say he been doing this.
Huh?
He said he been doing this. Live off the land.
You had to throw that ring in there.
Yeah, I had it when you was ringing the neck. I got all that. I got all that on there. He didn't ring his neck. Now he about to, put him in the water. About to get serious. About to put him in the water. Get the feathers off of him. Oh, they dead chicken now. Say he been doing this since he been a little boy. Live off the land. You don't need no fast food. Real. Water boiling. That's crazy, bro. I was like, I thought you were playing when you said I'm about to wring his neck. I thought you been playing.
Okay.
Dante said you don't know about him.
Yep.
Oh, they done. Look at that chicken neck. Well, that junk look good.
Huh?
That chicken neck right there.
You know what?
Good.
Yeah, man, you gonna eat good. Y'all gonna eat, yeah, boy.
No, it ain't gonna eat good. Squirrel already cooked. We already cooked the squirrel. They say you gotta get some squirrel cooking now. Squirrel already cooked. Said, tell him I need. Dante said, tell him I need that catfish when it fried.
You see that?
Dante, my cousin Dante, Aunt Melissa's son.
Well, you send a message out.
Yeah.
Hey, fuck it.
He watching this right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, they watching this right now. They hear you. They hear you.
Huh?
They hear you. Ooh, woo. Pick the feathers off of him. That's a chicken. That's a chicken wing right there. Come on, bro. I ain't never seen that like this before. Hey, it's too early. It's too early. Dang, them just coming right off too. And this what y'all go and spend this what y'all go and spend $20 on at the store right here.
You can do it at home.
You can do it at home yourself. Y'all go and spend $20, $30 at the store for this. You know what I'm saying?
And it's better to eat. He ain't got no chemicals in it.
No chemicals. Better eating. Tastes better. You know what I'm saying? Tastes better. No chemicals. Straight out the farm.
Straight off the phone.
Gonna eat good.
Take a little time. Just a little bit of your time.
Take a little bit of time. Y'all seen it. 10 minutes. 10 minutes and you got you a full turkey. Full chicken. It's a chicken, but it look like a turkey. Come on, man. People pay to see stuff like this. He said, yeah, it definitely do taste better off the farm. It really do, though. It really do taste better than it get out the stove because they going to put chemicals and stuff in it. Ain't even going to be no real chicken after that. He didn't snatch the feet off them, boy. No knife, no fork. This is just straight hands he doing this with. These his hands. He cleaned the chicken with his bare hands. Come on, man. I don't know nothing about that.
How many views we gonna get?
Oh, this going up. He said you need to start a country YouTube with him. I'll watch it all day. He said I'll watch it all day.
Who said that?
That was my homeboy said from school. You know what? See, not like this. Hey, this just, bro, I'm talking about, I can't go on and on with all the stuff he done did. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to start a channel and have y'all watch all this, what he be doing, because he doing something. Every day he do something different. You know what I'm saying? He doing something different. This is not a game. I'm going to show y'all how you throw a little bit of food out there in the pond, what's going to come up and snatch it. You ain't seen nothing like that. This is crazy. This is real life. This ain't no TV channel, right? This is real life. It's 10 o'clock in the morning. It's 10 o'clock in the morning. Somebody ain't even up yet. He didn't clean the whole chicken. He didn't kill the chicken, wring his neck, and clean the whole chicken before somebody got up out their bed this morning. With his bare hands. No knife, no nothing. For real.
Pretty chicken.
Pretty. Pretty chicken. Pretty chicken. And he gonna eat good.
Chick.
Yes, sir. Some people eat chicken feet. Some people eat chicken wings. Some people eat chicken legs. Some people like the thighs. Some people like the neck. Some people like the back. Man, he got it all. Everything you want on this chicken. Literally. You gonna get in a 2-piece. You go to doggone, what you call it? Bojangles or KFC, get you a 2-piece. You can't get no real deal stepper like that. Letter, I wish you could have seen the whole process of this right here. I had to show you the other video of how this started, man. He literally grabbed the chicken out the.
You put the whole video together.
I know I should have had it all together. I'm gonna put it together. I'm gonna put the other one with this one, but I gotta do it after I end this one. I had to end that one because they couldn't hear me. I wanted them to hear the whole deal.
They looking at you now?
Yeah, they looking at him.
You chicken?
Quick.
You had to go.
He ready to eat. He ready to cook.
One more to go.
One more thing. Got the boiling water right here. It's not playing. It's not playing. Monte, you done missed it, bro. You about to see some. Monte done missed the big part. I'm gonna throw the whole video together though, so y'all gonna see it all. For real. I know that water hot. Man, instead of hand in hot water, that's what I'm talking about. See, this stuff y'all don't see right here. Right? That water hot. It's I know you see that. Bro, this Look, Jeremiah on here. You heard me, Granddad?
Huh?
Jeremiah on here.
Yeah, he on there.
Jeremiah, you done missed it, bro. You done missed it. I got no. Come on, bro. Drop them in the sink. Take my feathers off of. You feel me? This is better than getting it outside the doggone. I'm telling you. This is better than getting it outside the doggone. The restaurant. He talking like, yeah. He talking, yeah, he country. That boy used to rich. I'm telling you, bro. I cannot make this up. Like, this is my granddad. He do this stuff all the time, bro. Telling you. Like, I'm not going to lie to y'all. Like, this is an everyday thing, bro. Every day. You liable to see this every day. Come over here. You gonna see this. Everybody know this. I'm definitely gonna start a YouTube channel, bro. No cap. I'm gonna start a YouTube channel, bro. My granddad do this stuff every single day. Like, it's not no game. He woke up, he said, I'm hungry. He said, I'm gonna go kill my chickens today at 10 o'clock. That's the exact words that came out of his mouth. He looked at the clock, he said, yeah, I'm gonna make their death date at 10 o'clock. It was 9:45 when he said that. He walked outside at 9:50. The chickens was dead by 10 o'clock. It's 10:12, and he almost done cleaning the second chicken. He did all of this before somebody went to work today. Like, no cap. I'm not lying to you. And he did it all with his bare hands. No knife, no gun. He killed all this with his bare hands. I'm gonna run these videos together so y'all can see everything. For real though. Daddy country. You know it. Yeah, we definitely doing that. Definitely got to do that. Come on, man. This junk is so funny. It's funny, but it's funny because they looking at it like this their first time seeing you do this. I'm looking at it like, man, I done watch this man pick up a coon with his bare hands. So I know. No kizzy. I'm knowing the vibes. Bare-handedly. Go ahead and dip him. He about to dip him again. Oh yeah, that hand is gone because he took it off with his hands. If y'all just joining him. Like I said, you got the leg, you got the feet, you got the legs, you got the thighs. They got a whole chicken. They got a whole chicken, man. Boiling hot water. Yes, sir. Yeah, bruh. We in happy time. You're crazy. No. Oh, get into that. Oh, mess with that. I dip you in there, though. No cap. Factual. Like, the funny thing to me is that you did all this in under 30 minutes, bro. Really under 20 minutes. You still got 3 minutes left. It's 10:17. And you'll be done did it in 20 minutes. If he do this by 10, 20, he did it in 20 minutes. That's the crazy part about it. They done killed this man in 20 minutes. Clean everything in 20 minutes. You look at me, I don't want to touch it. I don't want to touch it. Did all this in under 20 minutes, bro. That's crazy. That's crazy. Right, yes, sir. Got it.
Yeah.
Yep. Hold on. Give one time. I'm about to end it.
Yep.
You got your chicken wing, chicken leg.
You got your wing.
Boy, I tell you. I got chicken on a motherfucking stick. You bite that motherfucker, that bitch just juice. Then got a pick on the end of it so you can pick the meat out your shit. You better get you some. Thank you.
You got your feet. You got your thighs.
Leg,
Breast, everything.
one chicken.
One chicken.